Hi, this is Peter Corrigan, the Entrepreneur Journey. This video is about opening up your own workshops and earning money. I'm just going to a meeting. I've just arrived now in the car park. I'll be going into the meeting in a few minutes. And these people has asked me to do a workshop for them. So I'm going into a meeting and talking about the next step and what we do in the workshop. I've been doing workshops for over 40 years and I've got experience in that field. I've done workshops, spiritual workshops, teaching people about spiritual matters, law of attraction, law of assumption, and spiritual matters. And I've been teaching that for many, many years. That was one of my business ventures. I stopped doing workshops and then I started doing the venture of Corrigan's live shows, putting Corrigan's live shows on. What I proclaim to be is I'm what you call an entrepreneur. I'm not a businessman. I don't just have one business, although having one business is very successful. You focus on one business and you can become very rich in one business. I class them as businessmen. I'm an entrepreneur and I do business ventures. So I do Corrigan's live shows, but I'm also doing workshop as well. If you want to learn about workshops and how to open up your own workshop and earn money, go to Peter Corrigan, the Entrepreneur Journey on YouTube. Go into my listing and you'll see the title, How to Open Up Your Own Workshop and Earn Money. There you'll find loads of videos teaching you where to start, what to do, everything about opening up your own workshop. The thing about workshops I like is they can be very lucrative. They can be really money good earners. And you don't have to put up a lot of money to earn a profit. You don't even have to have a lot of people come into your workshop. You don't need hundreds and thousands of people coming to your workshop to earn a profit. And this is what I like about the business. It's a really good business model to earn profit. So I class myself as an entrepreneur. I call them business ventures, and that's what I do. I do business ventures. I don't just stick to one. I can run as many business ventures alongside of each other as much as possible. A lot of people said, well, you're not focused on them. Yes, I am focused on them, and my brain can do more than one thing at once, and I put 100% into all of my business ventures. So I stopped that negative idea, limitations on your mind. You can do more than one business venture. Obviously, if it's not working, you close it down and you move on. That's what I do. I'm an entrepreneur. I create businesses. I create business ventures. Now, I've been asked to do this workshop again, and I'm just going into the meeting in the car park, as I said, and we'll have a meeting and we'll discuss what the next step is to do this workshop. So again, if you want to find out how to open up your own workshop and earn money, go to my listing, go to my channel, Peter Corrigan, the Entrepreneur Journey, and follow my videos, and you'll see loads of tips and secrets and strategies on how to open up your own workshop. I see you there. See you on the inside. And remember, everyone, you take care. Bye-bye.